General Camilo Polavieja. Governor General Camilo Polavieja was Governor General who signed the death sentence to Dr. Jose Rizal. Governor General Camilo Polavieja. Next, Quran, the Bible of the Muslim or the Mohammedan Bible. We call that Quran. Next, jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is the study of law. The political science, the study of state and government. But jurisprudence is the study of law. Next, anatomy. Anatomy is the study of human body. You know, the father of modern anatomy, the father of modern anatomy is Vesalius. We have also the pathology, same as anatomy, the structure of human body. Kasama doon yung tinatawag pag-biopsy, pag-surgery, yung na tinatawag na pathology. The father of pathology is Morgagni. Morgagni. Next, Apollo 11. Apollo 11, ito yung sinakyan ng tatlong astronaut na papunta sa buwan, no? Way back July of 1969. Ang sinabi noon ni Neil Armstrong, ang unang, the first man to step on the moon. Sabi pa niya noon, one big step is a big leap for mankind. Yun ang sinabi niya noon. Astronaut, tatlo po silang astronaut, no? Astronaut doon, si Neil Armstrong, then second, Edwin Aldrin, and the third is Edwin Aldrin. Apollo 11. Mas nauna sa kanila yung tinatawag na cosmonaut ng Russia, no? The first cosmonaut sa Russia ay si Major Yuri Gagarin. Then we have also a woman cosmonaut in Russia. Her name was Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova. The first woman cosmonaut in history came from Russia.